Hi everyone to Tech Safari and welcome to the Coding Safari Java and Android. And today let's see about how do we cast variables to different types. So first off, let's just get know how do we cast a basic variable. So here casting means changing a variable of one type to another, say from into longs or into floats, into doubles, into cars or something like that. We could also convert a boolean to a string, and like that we can convert anything to a string, but a string cannot be originally converted to that. So we could just give the variable type which we want to convert it to, integer dot to string. We could convert it using this method. I could give number of days in a week, and that would give me the value of number of days in a week as a string instead of an integer. But I could not convert my name to an integer. uh, so let's just log that in. We could convert an integer to a long by using long in brackets or whatever the variable type we want in brackets, and after that we just give the integer value or the variable value. We can use this kind of statement to convert any variable to any other variable except strings to any other variable. Like, so that will be just using equals to variable bracket close from variable, and that in a similar way could also do for doubles. I'll just log that there. So yeah, let me just doubles. Yeah, I need to convert this to a string as I can only log string values. So I just double dot to string will convert this double value to a string. So we could convert anything to a string just by using the variable type dot to string, and in the brackets I could give the variable name, and that would convert it to a string. It's converting any variable to a string is very easy. So I could even do it on a float. I'll just go for the double. I'll give another one, say int pi value equals int would be equals to int value of pi value. Yeah, that would round it off to the nearest integer. That would be around 3. So now if I had to say I cannot write my name as an integer, it would if I try to do it, it would crash the app or fail because I cannot convert a text into a number. um, but suppose if I take string my birthday, so I take this number, and then I could convert the value of that string, or the numeric value. I could get the numeric value of that string using um, integer dot value of, and give the string name there, and that would try to get the numerical value of my birthday string. But if that was a text value, then it would crash the app. So now let's try and log that here, but I had to convert it again to a string if I had to run this, because I cannot log a string value, integer value, sorry. Yeah. So yeah, now let's just try to log in a boolean value. So we just use boolean.toString to convert to a string so that we can log it. Did the user win? So I need to even change this to a string back again, even if I took it to a integer. Yeah, might sound crazy, but yeah, let's test that. If the value was null, it should give me an error. But if it successfully converted an int, I should get it back as a string as well. Now let's run the app and see. So let's see, and the app should have run by now. And we have the value birthday 180/2004, double casting 7.0, variable type string, variable value 7, and the last one we have it as well. So yeah, here we have all our values successfully printed up. As you can see, when a double converted string, we just get the final value. So yeah, that's about the casting, and until the next video, keep casting variables. See you in the next video.